bitch terror. Got a head full of stacks, better grab an umbrella. I make it run, I make it run. Bitch terror. Got a head full of stacks, better grab an umbrella. I make it run, I make it run. Make it rain on the road, I make it run, I make it run. I make it rain on the road, I make it run, I make it run. I make it rain on the road, I make it run, I make it run. I make it rain on the road. I be drilling these chicks like Major Payne. When I make it rain, they be like hell for the day. Turn to the poop inside my cage. Up in my bedroom, screaming each other's name. They was flirty, and I was flirty. I was drove to the pub, gotta get it dirty. Ask me what my name is. Stupid bitch, I'm famous. You gon' make me aim this. Leave your ass brainless. I'm trying to stay on, baby, but these streets is a part of me. So don't get it twisted. You see, I order one bottle, and I drop with one bottle. I order whole bottles, so I got four models. I'm from that city where them niggas don't play. I take a chick to my room like Kay. So I just gotta bring my name. I bet she gon' ski. Well, the man got to make it. Yo, if you born and raised in New York, make some noise! This is my story. Yeah, I'm from that Chi-Town dirt. I went from being broke to sleeping in the South. This is my story. Money, cars, bad hoes. This is my story. And I'm sticking to it. And I'm sticking to it. And I'm sticking to it. And I'm sticking that shit. And I'm sticking to it. Say what? And I'm sticking to it. Say what? And I'm sticking to it. It ain't nothing but cigars. All the miles. Got so many foreigns, you need a pass. Put your hands up. It ain't nothing, nigga. Ain't nothing, nigga. Take a lifetime, spend money this long. Nigga, we been on.
Nigga, we been on. We done came up in them red cups to them gold bottles. Living on islands, caked up.
It ain't nothing, nigga. Ain't nothing, nigga.
Stunting on niggas and taking they bra.
Okay. You know that we be in the club all night. Throwing up this money. My niggas to my right. Throwing up this money. Yeah, these bitches know what I like. All about my money. Gotta get this money. What you talking about? Nigga, we been on. Yeah. Nigga, we been on. Yeah. Nigga, we been on. Yeah. We been on. Ladies, you wanna come on stage with kids? Make some noise! Getting high in this bitch. I'm on mines in this bitch. I'm taking shots in this bitch. All that in this bitch. I got my bitch in this bitch. I'm turned up in this bitch. I skip up your dress code. I got my chains on in this bitch. I'm falling hard in this bitch. Put my A game to this bitch. And I would take your girl, but I got the baddest chick in this bitch. And I got her up all night. Fucking her to my love song. She know what my love song. Slow song. It ain't nothing but cigars. Please make some noise.
Girl, you wanna come to my hotel? Baby, I wanna go. I'm feeling the way you carry yourself, girl. And I wanna get with you, cause you like you. So if you wanna come to my hotel, all you gotta do is have a hand. We're having an after party. Checking out 6 in the morning.
Keep those sixes up, y'all. Hey, kids.
What up?
They forgot about this shit right here, baby.
All of the sexy ladies out there!
Sing it! So sexy. I like you. So sexy.
Children pop the honeys, downtown shopping honeys. Stand on the grind, got your own car and crib honeys. Gold purple, creamy sippers, VIP real honeys. No dummies, taking no shit from a nigga that's full of shit honeys. And this is for my girl that be wanting. And this is for my girl that be loving. And this is for my girl that be riding. The one that like to keep the tea up inside them now. So many girls don't fuck with them, all boy nigga be getting the good. So that's why they don't fuck by me, I be like what's up? So sexy. And I like you. So sexy.
For me.
Alright, Queens, we gonna keep this shit rolling. Let's go!
Oh. Hold on. Stop the music. Hold the hell up. Hey, DJ Phantom.
Yes, sir.
I gotta keep it 100.
Yes, sir.
This shit ain't turned up enough for me, man.
Hell no!
This ain't turned up enough for me. I know it can get better than this. Is this Jamaican Queens?
Yes, sir.
Well, let me ask a question before I start. Where are all of the real R. Kelly fans at in here tonight? I'm not talking about Instagram fans. I'm not talking about Facebook fans. I'm not talking about trapped in the closet fans. I'm talking about my day one motherfucking fan. All right, let's start that shit from the beginning. Let's go.
Come on, Queens, one more time. Let's go!
Oh.
Yeah!
Loving you.
Ladies!
Yeah. This side. Over here. Back there. Come on. This side. Back there. Over there. Come on. Yo, now in the middle.
Come on! Now somebody scream! Ladies, if you got that good sex, sing this shit.
I pulled up to the road when the fellow with the wheels spinning, ladies like this. I'm in the back of the club, blowing trees, hands up, head popping like this. In the spot where the girls go wild, listen, dreaming about style like this. Scoop kills and your boy kills, and then he says that shit. Young Jeezy.
Everybody in the building, put your hand in the sky. Come on.
And your boy Kid.
Come on. Bounce it.
Stop all day, play all night. This is the life of a. Hey. In the club you see a bad bitch point her out. Yeah, you're damn right,
Just want to say, man, I appreciate the love, man. Y'all having me here tonight, man. I appreciate all the artists on the stage tonight. I appreciate all of the fans. If you're a R. Kelly fan or whatever fan you are, I appreciate y'all coming out and coming together like this, man. But I gotta start the show and let y'all know. I hope y'all got love for me, but if you don't, God bless you. But I absolutely have nothing to do with who comes on first, second, third, fourth, or fifth. I just thank God for the talent that He has given me to be able to give y'all music for 30 years. It's a blessing, and I love y'all so much whether you support it or not. Now, do the ladies run this motherfucker? my ladies run this motherfucker. When I say get, you say money. Get. Money. Get. Money. Get. Money. Let's get some money.
Ladies, if you got your nails done, your hair done, your toes done, you can really got your money. Sing it.
You got what I want.
Hey.
I got what you want.
Hey.
Let's put it together.
All right, that was pretty good, man. Let's try the other side.
Over here.
Come on, let's go.
You got what I want.
Hey.
I got what you want.
Hey.
Let's put it together.
All right, that was about equal. Let's try the middle. Let's go.
You got what I want.
Hey.
I got what you want.
Hey.
Let's put it together.
It's gonna be a party, y'all.
Step into the crib with me tonight.
What's up, baby?
Kelly's in the mood to make it right.
Yeah.
Murder's getting on overtime.
Hey.
Party's over here and midnight.
Come on, y'all.
Hands in the air.
Get it up, yeah.
Drinks everywhere.
Push it up, y'all.
In the air. Keep it real, It's out of town. It's all around. Do what you do.
Chillin' at the house on the hill. You get to say my what? A rich girl, poor girl get the same respect. You can all drink for free, call all collect. At the moment of truth, with burning the roof. We stack up for spread love like a roof. The lyrical genius with the R&B Messiah in the roof. The roof, we set so right. As long as the party is jumping, we ain't concerned. We don't need no water, let this motherfucker burn. And everybody who was somebody was sad with their hands in their ass, bringing in the new year. Ho!